All right, good morning. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. I am Stephen.
And I'm John. Good morning.
We've had some audio issues, so this is actually take two-ish.
Late-ish.
And so I think we've got an issue with our handy-dandy expensive microphone. It doesn't seem to be working well, so we're going to use this camera that's not near as well, but it'll at least work.
Yeah,
And
so hopefully the audio, hopefully it's not too bad, and it'll only be for this 1 week.
Yes, and so what we want to talk about this week, we're actually going to go back and talk about a subject we were on a couple Wake Up Wednesdays ago called Cap Title. Got a lot of good feedback from you guys, and so we have tweaked the program, and so John's going to be going over some of those tweaks that we've made here in just a minute.
Yeah, and I would say that I think that's what does excel Bookstore Manager. Is that we do listen to that feedback and we get it right back out to you.
Yeah, we don't hold those programs. We put them out there, and so we've got it out there. We've made some changes, and so now we're going to actually go through what those changes are and how the program's kind of evolved in the last couple of weeks. And then John's going to talk.
I would say those programs, if you're on version 9, you'll have those for sure within a week, if not a day.
So let's go ahead and jump in.
Can you open up?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and give you access.
Move it.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. We'll just go into it and then you move the next window.
All right. John's going to take over and kind of show you the program here. If you have any comments or anything, please use the comment section. We've got it where we can actually see those now. And so go ahead, John.
Okay, so this is version 9. When you go to version 9, one of the features that it allows you to do is mixed case. It looks a little cleaner than the block all capitals, but we've made it easy to start using mixed case, and then this utility that I'm going to talk about will actually go back and change your existing data so that everything's uniform. You can still use uppercase.
I know a lot of people prefer uppercase probably because it's what you're used to. Mixed case does look better. It looks better when it's printed out. It looks better. Your customers would expect to see mixed case more often.
Yeah.
We've made this utility where it will continue moving forward, keeping it consistent, and you can go back and change all of them going backwards. But some of you select super case, and that is totally good.
Totally good. One thing, the very first thing you're going to have to do is... And I have written a document, so I am going to put a link to the document so that you can have this for future use as well. So after we will put this document in the comments, and then we'll put it in our users group as well. So let's see. First thing, we're going to go into sys, top secret password, and then we're going to go to configuration file. Let me find the mouse. There it is. Configuration file. And then change miscellaneous configurations. Down here on the right, we're going to go into 7030. And then over here on the left, you can mouse over that if you want to see a description. But there you either set it to a U for all uppercase or for an M for mixed case. In this example, we're going to do mixed case.
If you leave it blank, it's not going to do anything. It's whatever you put in is just going to put that in.
Yep. So U, M, or any other letter or blank, we'll just enter it if it's mixed case. Okay, if it's all caps, however it's keyed in. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Let's see. I'm going to go out. Let's see. All right. Now just going to kind of show you. This is what we changed since our last Wake Up Wednesday with feedback. You could have got inconsistent again. And so I'm just going to go in here. There it is. All right, I'm going to do an add.
Go ahead and show them where you're clicking so they know.
Yes, sorry. We're going to do an add. And then I'm just going to use the create item number. Doesn't really matter there. And then, so I'm just going to put in, this is all caps, but will change to mixed. And so as soon as you get out of the field, so if I click over here in author, it's going to immediately change that to mixed case. And so same here, if I do Ammons John in lowercase letters, as soon as I go over, it's going to change that. Now, if you're using uppercase, it's going to be the same thing. It's going to automatically change that to uppercase. So the fields, it's only certain fields. It's not going to be every field. In inventory, it's the description and author. Let's go ahead and save there. The other ones are MLM. So if you're adding a customer name and you do all caps Ammons John, it's going to, just like it did there, it's going to make it a mixed case. Accounts receivable, the name will be mixed case. I think that's really the only places. So once you configure the sys 7030, you're just going to run the program cap title. And what it'll do is it's going to tell you, based on your sys 7030, it's going to set everything. It'll say mixed, upper, or it's not going to say that. And so when you're ready to run that, after you've configured 7030, come in here, it'll say, okay, it's going to be, this utility is going to set everything to mixed case. Just hit yes, and it's going to run through. Yeah, we can go ahead and do this. I've done it a few times. Let's see. It's running in the background. It's got a...
Hurry before you miss it.
I don't think...
Just check it down.
Okay.
Here, I'll do it.
Well, it's going to be done by the time you get there.
Well.
So what you weren't seeing is there was a status bar going through, and it did inventory, then it did accounts receivable, then it did mailing list. And so if I pull up any customer now, any item, they're all going to be in mixed case. Where from past 30 years, it's all been all caps. Now all of those are going to be changed. So anything you add from the database into the inventory, mixed case. New names and new accounts receivable. So I hope that helps. I think it does look a little cleaner. On reports, it looks nicer. I know, yeah. So I think that's the setting use. Again, you can use uppercase or mixed case, and I think that's really all I have today.
Well, thank you for connecting with us.
Sorry for the delay.
Yeah, we had a little delays, had to work up through some audio stuff, but we've got some kind of exciting stuff coming, and so we're getting excited to announce a couple of those things. So yeah, that's
never
coming.
Too early to register for the next show, so you can see us in person.
That's right. Yeah, I think that's all we had. We sure are thankful for each and every one of you. Just know we're praying over you. I know we say this every week, but we truly are. We're praying over you. Any specific prayer requests that you have, please send those to us. We want to be lifting up prayer with you as well.
And I think if we can pray over something specific, that's even better.
Yeah, John and I, our brother works for the Texas Rangers.
Yes,
and so that's
he's the
exciting.
plumber.
He's the main
Did
plumber.
you know Major League Baseball teams have plumbers?
But
we take it for granted.
We're getting to go to opening day tomorrow to celebrate our birthday, which is coming up this weekend. So
we're going to be
86.
86. 86. 86.
We share our age. So in 2 years,
I'm going to be 43, and you're going to be 43.
For our 90th birthday, we're going to jump out of an airplane. So
watch for that video.
In 2 years.
2 years.
All right. Crazy. Well, thank you for joining us today. We hope you have a wonderful day. Remember to please share those prayer requests with us. I don't know where my mouse is. There it is.